Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to study about coal. As we all know, coal is a fossil fuel. It is hard and black in color. Coal is found in deep coal mines under the surface of earth in the form of coal beds. Mainly, coal is made up of carbon, but along with it, hydrogen, oxygen and small amount of nitrogen and sulfur are also present. Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food and is formed by gradual decay and compression of remains of plants and trees in the absence of air. Uses: coal is used as a fuel in various industries. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Earlier, it was used in railway engine to produce steam to run the engine. Coal is used to make activated carbon, which is used in filters for water and air purification and in kidney dialysis machine. Paper manufacturers use coal to make paper. Coal is also used to make silicon metal, which is used to produce silicons and silanes, which are in turn used to make lubricants, water repellents, resins, cosmetics, hair shampoos, toothpaste, etc. Formation of coal. It takes millions of years for coal to form. Millions of years ago, there were places on the earth with dense forests in wetlands. Due to natural calamities such as flooding, tsunami, landslide, etc., these forests got buried under the soil. Over the years, more and more soil combined over these forests. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted into coal. As coal contained mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. In other words, the slow chemical process of conversion of the dead vegetations, that is remains of dead plants, into coal under the influence of high temperature and pressure is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, coal is also called fossil fuel. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. In industries, coal is used to manufacture coke, coal tar and coal gas by the process of destructive distillation. This destructive distillation is a process of breaking coal by heating it into high temperature in absence of air. Coke. Coke is a tough, porous and black substance and it is an almost pure form of carbon. It is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. It contains 98% of carbon. Uses of coke. Coke is an essential raw material for iron and steel industry to heat the furnace. It is also used as a reducing agent in extraction of metals from their ores. Next one, coal tar. Coal tar is a black viscous liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is obtained during the destructive distillation of coal. It is not a single compound, it is a mixture of more than 200 different carbon compounds. Coal tar can be separated into many different chemical substances such as toluene, benzene, naphthalene, phenol, etc. by the process of fractional distillation. These chemical substances are used as raw materials for manufacturing dyes, explosives, paints, varnishes, pesticides, plastics, synthetic fibers, photographic materials, naphthalene balls, roofing materials, etc. Next one, coal gas. Coal gas is also obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. It burns to produce heat, due to which it is an excellent fuel. Coal gas consists of three combustible gases, namely hydrogen, methane and carbon monoxide. Coal gas has high calorific value as both hydrogen and methane have high calorific value. Hope you understand today's topic. Next day we can study about petroleum. Thank you for watching.